In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a $10,000 month app with Claude. We're going to keep it simple and practical, using Claude to generate a working starter app that solves a real problem for a specific audience. By the end, you'll have a clear path to a niche tool you can improve, package, and monetize. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI. This makes it easy to find the official site quickly, without memorizing any URLs. Look for the official Claude website in the results and click through. Once you're there, you'll be ready to start a fresh conversation where we'll provide a single, clear prompt. In a new chat, we're going to describe the exact product we want Claude to build. The key is to be explicit about the user, the workflow, and the outputs. Type a prompt along these lines. Create a simple web app called AI. Real estate listing writer. Agents enter property details in a form, click Generate, and the app outputs a full listing description, 5 headlines, 3 social posts, and 1 email pitch. Build it in clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or React if you prefer, and include a placeholder function for the AI call. This wording gives Claude the product name, the target user, the input method, the exact deliverables, and the implementation details. The placeholder function is important because it shows where an AI request would go later without requiring any keys or integrations right now. It keeps the prototype simple and safe, while still reflecting the real architecture you'll need when you're ready to connect an AI backend. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Claude will generate the project scaffolding, including the form fields for property details, a Generate button, and an output section that formats the listing description, headlines, social posts, and the email pitch. You'll also see the placeholder function that marks the spot for your future AI call. If the code comes back in multiple parts, read through the comments and structure, and note how the app flows from user input to content output. If you want minor tweaks, like different field labels or a React version, you can ask for those in the same conversation. That's all you need for a strong first version. With a clear, problem-focused prompt and a precise request, you've just used Claude to produce a functional prototype that's straightforward to refine and package. Keep it focused, iterate with real feedback, and you're on your way to a tool that can generate dependable monthly revenue.